All right, guys. So today I'm going to walk you through how to reset either soft reset or factory reset this Sony Bravia Android TV. Now, this is going to fix issues that you may be having. So we'll start with a soft reset, which should help us take care of some of these minor issues that we could be having with this TV. Now, to soft reset it, what we're going to do, we're actually going to unplug the TV from the wall for a full minute. We're going to let that discharge. And after it's been unplugged for a minute, we'll plug the TV back in. And that is technically called a soft reset. Now, if that doesn't help, the next step, we're going to do a factory reset. And to do that, I got your remote control. We are going to go over to this settings right here. We'll open up the settings and we will scroll down to device preferences. Inside of device preferences, we're going to go down this menu here all the way to reset there. And then we have this factory data reset. Now, I'm not going to do this because I don't want to reset out. Once you factory reset, you lose all of your logins. Everything that you've set up on this TV will be gone. It's like you're getting it out of the box again. So it's likely to fix whatever issue you're having. You're just going to have to log into all of your apps, re-download all of your apps and things like that. So definitely try the soft reset first. But that's all I got for you today. I hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.